Oh, hi. Doing an experiment right now. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras. Do you know that everything in this world, there are physics application happen on them? For example, when we stay still, chilling on the bench, watching Netflix, there are physics concept applied to us, which is forces equilibrium. No net forces equilibrium means that we do not move, but that's not what I'm going to talk about right now. Have you guys heard about Bernoulli principle? What is exactly the Bernoulli principle is, and what are the applications in real life? That will be the topic of the discussion. Bernoulli principle can easily be defined as when the velocity of fluid increases, the pressure decreases. When the velocity of fluid decreases, the pressure increases. Still don't get it? Let me show you how fascinating physics are. Let's get it! Here, I have a sheet of paper. So when I blow the top surface of the paper, what would you guys think? Whether this paper will rises upwards or go downwards? And I'll bet every one of you will answer this paper will go downwards. But I'll prove you guys wrong. See? Don't you guys find it amazing that this paper rises upwards? This is because when I blow out the top surface of this paper, I'll provide the air velocity to this paper, meaning that the top surface of this paper has higher velocity, so the pressure decreases. What happened to the bottom surface of this paper? The bottom surface of this paper does not receive any air velocity, thus the velocity of air is decreases, perhaps the pressure increases. The difference in pressure between the top surface and the bottom surface of this paper will make this paper to move upwards. Definition check. Example check. Let's move on to the applications in real life. Have you guys ever wondered how to fly a big, cute, massive yet weighty, heavy airplane? This is why airplanes create the use this concept. Airplanes' wings are in aerofoil shape. The aerofoil shapes will provide the airplane to have a lift force. So here's the cross-sectional of an aerofoil shape. The aerofoil shape of the wings of an airplane causes the air to flow at different speeds past the top section and the bottom section. According to Bernoulli's principle, the higher air velocity at the top section produces a region of lower pressure, while the lower air velocity produces a region of high pressure. The difference in pressure between the top section and the lower section will give the airplane a lift force, so the airplane will move upwards. Another application is that perfume. What's the point of using high branded perfume like Chanel or Gucci if you don't know how that things work? But now you know. The top end of the tube has higher velocity due to the giving of air by the user. Thus, the pressure at the top end of the tube is lower as compared to the bottom end of the tube because at the bottom end of the tube, the velocity is lower. The difference in pressure between the top end and the bottom end of the tubes draws the perfume upwards. Basically, the explanations of other applications of Bernoulli principle are same. So if you really understand and master what is Bernoulli principle is, you can probably answer whatever questions that are related to Bernoulli principle. So, have you already understand what is Bernoulli principle? If not, then please repeat this video again and again and again and again. Peace out.